Iconographic Tracking, Creating Visualizations Part 2 by Christina Bowers. Video number 2, Coding Images with Google Sheets and Atlas TI, plus Network Visualization in Atlas TI. In this video, I will show you how to use a Google Sheet to upload multiple genre codes, or tags, simultaneously to your Atlas TI project. Then, I will demonstrate how to manually code directly onto image files in Atlas TI. Last, I will guide you through creating a network visualization in Atlas TI using genre metadata. This D1, D2, all the way down, this is the document identifier, and all this tells you is the order in which the documents were uploaded to Atlas. So now that I have my images uploaded and the titles changed to be more descriptive, I'm going to go back to my Google Sheets document. I want to code and tag the different genres in Atlas. But we gotta do it in a way that Atlas will understand. So I'm gonna go over here. I've already made this document, but I will explain it. So there's 3 columns, and you have to name the column headers this way. First one is code, and then code definition, and then code group 1. We're gonna call it 1 because we're just doing one code group. There are ways to do more than one code group in the same Sheets or Excel document. You can learn more about that in the manuals, and I will link below the specific page numbers that tell you this process I'm doing right now. Here's genre. Over here with the code, I say the specific genre. These are all my genre categories. As you can see, there are not as many categories as there are images, so you're gonna see that some categories cover more than one image. They fall into the same category. The definition here, this is just for me, for other people looking at my project, explaining what I mean by historical satire art, what I mean by political commentary art. Okay, this is my description. Over here in the code group, this is like the group or the family. We're just talking about genre. We're not going to get into rhetorical function. We're not going to get into authorship right now, media source. We're only focusing on genre. All right, so we're just going to do that one, name them all genre. Okay, now we have to get ready to import this into Atlas. We're going to go over here, download it as a Microsoft Excel document. Okay. Here we are. In my documents or images, you can see the document identifier, the name, and then this little 1 here. This number indicates how many codes are on the image. So as you can see, I've already done my first 2 images. Over here, you can see in this side panel, the genre is a stock photo. In my next one, genre, social commentary art. Let me show you how to put this on an image. I'm going to go to my 3rd image titled Writer Problems that I have not coded yet. So I'm going to go down here. First of all, I have these codes here. Let me show you how I got these codes in here. What I did was I went to Import and Export, Codebook, Import from Excel. I'm going to search for the file, but you just choose it, click Open. This button will light up. You can click Import. And then this should immediately show up just like this. Now, one thing I did do was change the colors of each of these genres. Let me show you how to do that. We're going to go to Home. And you see this box here. It says Managers. Go to Codes. I want to open the Code Manager. Here you see all my codes that I have so far. And let's say I want to change commercial art because social commentary and commercial, they're both kind of orange. I don't want them to look exactly the same. Just going to left click it, go up here to change color. And I'm just going to choose a new color. Let's do brown. Okay. See that little dot has changed. Okay. So let's go back up here. All right. I'm not going to sit here and think, what genre do I think this is? Because I already have done that work and I already have it recorded in my Excel, my Google Sheets document here. So we're on Writer Problems, and as you can see, just like I renamed my files in Atlas, renamed them here, keeping the numbers. So Writer Problems, I'm going to go all the way over to genre. And I know genre, I filled it in green so I could not get confused with all the other data that's here. This is confessional art, okay? This is the genre that I've chosen. Let me minimize this. Okay, so I know that this image is confessional art. Where is confessional art? Okay, here it is. All you have to do, I'm going to highlight the whole image because genre considers the whole image. I'm not going to get into analyzing these different characters or actors, the texts that are over them, just what is the genre of the entire image. Left click, drag, and just drop onto there. Now you can see I've created this genre code on the side panel here. You're going to go through and do that for all of your documents. So as you can see, I have coded all of my images. You can see I've only assigned one genre to each image. I could very well assign more than one genre or decide to create subgenres, but for the simplicity of this video, I only did one. You can kind of see here, it's sort of like a sideways bar chart. I'm in the code manager right now, and it'll tell you how many times this code has been used. And because I only used one per image, we can see this and think there must be 6 images with the code of genre social commentary art. But let's get down to business. I'm going to show you how to create a network on Atlas TI. We're going to go homepage. All right, so look at this manager's box. We're going to open up the network manager. Now I want to create a new network, so just go over here and click Create Network. I'm going to name it Genres. Simple. Click Create. Then it'll open up in this box here. So the first thing we're going to do is pull this genre code. And then I'm going to pull over all of the genre codes. One thing you can do with networks, I'm going to click on genre in the middle and click this red dot and then just pull it up towards one of the genres. Now you can see these sort of connector words I could choose, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to do a regular arrow right now. So I click no name. Now I actually want to put the images around coming off from each genre so we can actually see the density and the variety of genres we have. In our network manager here, we can see that we can edit this network comment. I'm just going to click on that to show you. This is basically a description of what we're trying to accomplish with this visualization. I'm just going to write this just to show you how to enter this text. Close that. For now, I want to add in my documents, so I'm going to go here. I'm going to pull over this up here next to stock photo, and right now you can just see the name. I want to actually be able to see the image, so I'm going to right click and then click preview, and now we can actually see the picture here. So you can make it as complicated or as simple as you like. So here you kind of get a general idea of how many images, how many remixes of the distracted boyfriend meme we get with each of these genre categories. Conclusion. Thank you for watching these tutorial videos on how to create data visualizations using genre coding in the Iconographic Tracking Research Method. For more information about iconographic tracking, see Dr. Grease's book, Still Life with Rhetoric, A New Materialist Approach for Visual Rhetorics, and WebText, Mapping Obama Hope, a data visualization project for visual rhetorics, published in the online journal Kairos, a journal of rhetoric, technology, and pedagogy.